See, I am not confident with whatever this predictions has come. Earlier, because whatever the survey done by all these people, it is not a small of 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000. At least 50,000 the sample will decide. I came up with a number of 136 in the last assembly election.
Yeah.
And all the medias had given Karnataka will get 80, 90, 100, like that. We have a coalition government and all. But I was very firm that 136. That is why I had made a separate survey. My sample size was of 40 to 50,000.
Okay.
That is why I was very sure with that number. Now I don't agree with this number because in Karnataka we have done best among my experience in the last 40 years. There was no Modi wave in Karnataka. And there was a lot of whatever we have given to we had promised to the state of Karnataka on our 5 guarantees.
Right.
That was implemented very well. And the entire people of Karnataka are very happy. The woman is very happy. And whatever the new guarantees also in the second phase, first phase that would not go to the roots, but in the second phase, that guarantee whatever the ACC had, Rahul Gandhi and Kharge had announced, and Sonia ji had announced, that have gone very deeply, the second guarantee. And people feel that this Congress party in Karnataka or in all India, whatever they promise, they deliver. And the Congress party always stood for the development of all sections of the society. So now due to this price rise, a lot of issues, BJP is looking at on emotional issues. We are looking at development of every individual.
Okay.
So I'm sure, I'm confident, I have confidence with the people of Karnataka. They have voted us, we will get a very good mandate.
So what's the prediction? So what's the number that you're
I
looking
don't
in Karnataka?
I don't agree with whatever the number is. It will reach double digit till the
So for the entire country, sir?
two-third. Huh?
For the entire country?
I am not a big poll analyst. I can speak only on Karnataka.
Okay. Thank you, sir.